To start replacing this hood latch, there's typically a plastic piece here, which I have, but mine is broken here and broken here, so it easily comes off. You can take a pry tool and pry it off of there. Basically just set it aside, and that'll expose this bottom bolt here. Take that off, and then take off these two side bolts. Now you can pull the hood latch off, and then if you spin it around, you can see the cable in here. What you have to do is pop it out of its spot, and inside there's a ball at the end of the cable, and that has to go up. Once it goes up, it unhooks, and you can remove your old hood latch. In reverse order of removal, go ahead and install that little ball at the end of the cable. I put a little bit of grease in there just to prevent it from rusting more in the future. The cable is pretty rusty. So, and then hook it onto this area here. Just press it on. That secures the cable in place. Now line it up with your bolt holes. What you want to do when you line it up is look for these witness marks here. You can see where the old one was. You want to line it up as close as possible to that, because if it's offset, when the hood comes down, it might not hit where it needs to hit, and it's not going to close properly. So line it up as well as you can. I'm going to start the bolts in for now. I'm going to hold it where I think it needs to be, and then I'm going to tighten it. All right, perfect. You can replace this plastic cover. It gets pressed in from underneath, and of course, if yours is not damaged like mine, press it into right here. That's it.